Hey guys, it's Nikki again. I just want to start this video to all the girls out there. You guys are beautiful. You guys are perfect, and if a guy can't realize that, then they're obviously not good enough. This song I'm gonna sing reflects to that. It is by it's kind of a song, kind of. It is Who Says by Selena Gomez, and I know you guys know I don't like her, but this song is pretty much I don't think it's like written by her, but she fake singing and it's good. Thank you for if you guys watched my last video because that was me ranting about crap. Okay, remember girls, you are beautiful. Wouldn't want to be anybody else. Hey. You made me insecure. Told me I wasn't good enough. But who are you to judge? When you're a diamond in the rough, I'm sure you got some things you'd like to change about yourself. But when it comes to me, I wouldn't want to be anybody else. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. I'm no beauty queen. I'm just beautiful me. Na, 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 na. Oh God, every right to beautiful life. Come on, who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're the only one that's hurting? Trust me, and that's the price of beauty. Who says you're not pretty? Who says you're not beautiful? Who says? It's such a funny thing, how nothing's funny when it's you. You tell me what you need, but they keep writing out the truth. It's like a work of art that never gets to see the light. Keep you beneath the stars, won't let you touch the sky. Na, 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 na. I'm no beauty queen, I'm just beautiful me. You got every right to live life. Come on, who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're the only one that's hurting? Trust me, that's the test of beauty. Who says I'm not pretty? Who says I'm not beautiful? Who says you're not attention? Who says you're not presidential? Who says you can't be in movies? Listen to me, listen to me. Who says you don't pass the test? Who says you can't be the best? Who said, would you tell me who said that? Yeah, who says you're not born? Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh. You trust me, that's the price of beauty. Who says you're not pretty? Who says you're not beautiful? Who says? Who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Who says I'm the only one that's alright? Trust me, that's the price of beauty. Who says you're not pretty? Who says you're not beautiful? Who says? Again, this is to all the girls out there. Y'all are beautiful. Y'all are gorgeous. Y'all are perfect. This is to all my ladies out there. You guys are perfect. With love, of Nikki.